What's up guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be installing the Cybertruck sunscreen that came with the truck. I'm going to unbox it, install it, and we'll see how it looks. Let's get into it. Comes in this bag with a zipper. In here. The zip right here should come with clips pre-installed. All we got to do is unfold it somehow. See, it's got the clips here. This is it fully open. Giant sunscreen. It's got these clips in the middle of each side. You want the clips flat up to the ceiling, and you want this Cybertruck logo to face you. So we're gonna put it in there and get it installed. Should slip right in there. Shouldn't have to fold it too much. You just want to watch the top of the truck. I'm going to fold these seats down so I can sit. Another thing you want to do is push both these seats all the way forward to give yourself enough room. Now once you've pushed the seats forward, you got plenty of room to work back here. So you're going to push this up. Okay. You want to push it up into place, get the back one in. Come up. Put your side one in. Your front just goes right underneath the trim. Up there. Your Cybertruck logo is right here. If you make sure the Cybertruck logo is facing you in the front left here on the driver's side, it should fit perfectly. This is how it looks on the inside from the back seat. You can see it's still transparent. You still get to see through, but it cuts down on a ton of solar and heat energy coming through. Looks nice. It hugs up there nice. You can see there's a Cybertruck logo that you want to line up on this side because it's a different distance from here than it is back here. And yeah, it looks really good. So that was the install, and this is the finished product. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, tune into the next one.